So we partnered up with Loudoun County Fire Rescue, and we're doing a tower crane rescue training. And it's mostly for them, but it helps us out as well with being prepared for if emergency is to take place. So they're doing a tower crane rescue for the operator itself and a possible maintenance individual that comes on site.
So as the county's developed and gotten bigger, we see a lot of large cranes, lots of tower cranes at some of these construction sites. And one of our responsibilities on the technical rescue team is we need to know how to evacuate an injured crane operator, a sick crane operator. Anything that could happen anywhere on that crane is going to fall under the responsibility of the technical rescue team. And it's vital that we know exactly what we're doing to solve those problems. HIT has been fantastic, like probably too nice to us. The fact that HIT recognized how important it is, that we know the lay of the land, that we know what we're doing, that we have a plan for, if an emergency were to happen on one of these cranes, just incredible to work with, like super good partners.
Everyone has to go home to their loved ones. So in my head, that's the biggest thing. So we love to make sure that individuals in the county have and maintain a good relationship with us and vice versa. So we get them out here every so often so they know how everything changes logistically and know what to expect and be prepared for any emergency.